Willkommen bei Wagner Classic Oil. Ich bin heute auf der Retro Classic in Stuttgart. Und zwar habe ich hier bei meinem Nachbarstand Fabio Lamborghini,
Hello.
der Neffe des Gründers von Lamborghini,
Ferruccio.
Ferruccio. So now we switch to English language because Fabio speaks English. So Fabio, thank you for being here.
Yeah.
You're joining here Klima Launch.
It's my pleasure to stay in Stuttgart Messe in this beautiful area with the brand of Lamborghini.
So I know about the history of Lamborghini. It starts with tractors, and now finally we have a wide range of supercars here, also on the booth.
Yes. Yes,
so you can explain more in detail. Yeah.
Yeah. Allora, yes, Ferruccio Lamborghini was brother of my father, and Ferruccio started after the Second World War to build tractors for poor farmer, because the tractors at the time was too expensive. For example, Fiat tractors or Landini, and Ferruccio would produce a cheap tractor for all farmers. And first tractor of Ferruccio arrived in 1948, was completely handmade in a little workshop, and 4 years later, Ferruccio built the company, and after arrived the Lamborghini tractors complete project in company. Because for first tractor, Ferruccio used some part of military cars.
Yeah.
Stay in Italy, abandoned it, understand? Ferruccio built tractors for over 20 years and produced very special tractors for technical, for innovation, and also for a very good design.
Yeah, I like especially design, which we have here.
Yes.
Fantastic design at this time.
Yeah, for this time was considered the best design and the best tractors produced in Italy. And then in 1963, Ferruccio decided to build also beautiful sports car. And here don't have a vintage car Lamborghini, but two beautiful Lamborghini Aventador, 12 cylinders, 6.5 liter. But also we have many tractors, vintage tractors by Ferruccio Lamborghini, 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, and rebuilt completely as new, I think better of new, from Klima Launch in Germany, very big specialist for Ferruccio Lamborghini tractors, and for this reason I am here.
Yeah. So I'm working since at least 10 years with Klima Launch together. So we're supporting him with specialized additives to keep the tractors and the cars on the road, especially the vintage cars. So we have a wide range of additives, for example, fuel additives, which you can add to the fuel to reduce corrosion, to improve the combustion, to reduce aging the fuel, and keep the cars safe. That's my passion. Yeah.
Congratulations, it's a very good idea and necessary for vintage tractors, vintage car, vintage truck, everything. Congratulations for your company.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Fabio.
Ciao.
Thank you for being here.
See you.
See you.
Ciao.